Hello students, so how are you all? So here we are to evaluate 4 to the power x minus 2 provided 16 is to the power 2x plus 3 equals to 64 to the power x plus 3. Alright, so this is a very interesting sum, although very easy. So here we go. For 16, first step would be to give a power. Okay, we already have 2x plus 3 as the power given earlier. For 64 in terms of 4, it is 4 to the power 3. Alright, and outside we already have x plus 3 power. We'll go further to simplify. So 4 here, let's multiply, okay, this thing with 2. 2 into 2 is 4x and 2 into 3 is 6. Here 3 into x is 3x and 3 into 3 is 9. Correct, students? So next we have to see that the bases are same, hence we can compare the powers. When the bases are same, we can always compare the powers. Okay, so therefore 4x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 9. Next step is 4x minus 3x is equal to 9 minus 6. Alright, so finally we get x is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 3. But our goal is to find out 4 to the power x minus 2. So putting the values, okay, the value of x in 4x minus 3, sorry, this is 2, we get 4, 3 minus 2 or 4 to the power 1, which is equal to 4. So well, this is our answer and this is as simple as this. I hope you people have understood. In case there is still some queries, okay, do write to me in the comment section. I'll appreciate, would love to help you out. Okay, thank you guys. If you like my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.